Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to talk how to improve the health of body in human values. Okay, so today's topic is that how to improve the health of body. Okay, so question may come in this way: what is the responsibility of the self towards the body? How is it fulfilled? How is it fulfilled? Okay, suggest any two programs that you can undertake to improve the health of your body. How does the feeling of Sanyam ensure health of the body? List two programs of Sanyam. Explain the relation between the self and the body. What is the responsibility of the self towards the body? What do you mean by Sanyam? How does it ensure harmony with the body? Okay, so let's start. The self has the responsibility for nurturing, protection, and right utilization of the body. For the self has to follow some programs. We need to work to understand the self organization of the body and ensure health of the body. Okay, so first, nurturing of the body. How to nurture? Okay, nurturing of the body. See, proper food, proper food, air, water, etc. In the process of selecting food for the body, I need to make out the elements which make a complete food so that it gives required nutrients and energy to the body. On the basic of understanding of the harmony of the self with the body, it can be said that the food needs to be eaten only we feel hungry. The choice of the food has to be such that if it is easily digestible, and the food needs to be taken with proper posture of the body and in right quantity. Okay, so it was proper food, air, water. Now next thing is that protection of the body. Protection of the body. Okay, the second issue is the protection of the body. The clothes we choose for protection need to be such that they ensure proper interaction of the body with the environment. The right amount of exposure of the body to the air, water, and sun is required to ensure its proper functioning. To ensure the health of the body, we need to take care of following. First, ahar, vihar. Okay, second, shram and vyayam. Shram and vyayam. Third, asan and pranayam. Asan and pranayam. Okay, aushti and chikitsa. Aushti and chikitsa. We have already discussed about ahar, it means food. Let's now discuss about the others. See, first, a proper vihar of the body. Proper unkeep. I mean vihar of the body. Okay, when we work, the body gets tired. When we take rest, the body becomes fit to work. But again, there is a limit to the amount of work and rest we need. We also need to ensure proper time, posture, and ways to work and to rest. We need to provide hygienic conditions for proper functioning of the body. These issues are included in the upkeep of the body. Next thing is that labor. Labor is another requirement. It means employing the body physically for production and maintenance of physical facilities. The labor we do, the labor we do helps each part of the body to function properly. Next, physical exercise. Physical exercise. See, we are aware of physical exercises. While doing labor, some parts of the body may get stressed much while others may not get employed to that extent. With exercise, we can employ all the parts of the body in the desired way. Fourth, asana and pranayam. Okay, this is another way to keep the body function properly. In asana, we give the body proper postures by sitting or lying, and in pranayama, we ensure regulation of the breathing. Next, treatment of the body. Treatment of the body. Okay, when the body gets hurt or is in disorder by either misuse or because of the advertises uh, because of adversities of the environment, there is a natural tendency of the body to heal and come back to its desired state of health. Once again, when the body gets hurt or is in disorder by either misuse or because of adversities of the environment, there is a natural tendency of the body to heal and come back to its desired state of health. We only need to facilitate this process and not suppress it. Thus, when unpleasant sensations come from the body indicating disorder, they are to be properly interpreted and attended to. Okay, next. So, what we have discussed, we only need to facilitate this process and not suppress it. Thus when unpleasant sensations come from the body indicating disorder, they are to be properly interpreted and attended to with all the care we take. Okay, the body may require treatment at times. There are several approaches to ensure this. It may be that just by going without food for some time, the body gets cured. Right choice for food may also help. So the body gets cured, okay, because of right choice of food. Right choice for food. Okay, guys. The treatment of the body can be done by proper exposure of the body to air, water, or sun too. Use of herbs or medicines may also serve the purpose. Here, one thing to understand is that the system of the body works in a self-organized way, and I only need to facilitate the self-organization of the body by arranging the material things. One thing to take care about is that while curing the body of one problem, we need to choose way which do not give rise to other problems. Okay, next, right utilization of the body. Right utilization of the body. It means सदुपयोग yoga. Okay, guys. See, right utilization of the body as an instrument necessity, understanding the purpose for which this instrument is to be used. Normally we tend to believe that the body is an instrument for sensory enjoyment, which is not correct. We also happen to use our body to exploit other human beings or rest of the nature, which is also not right. Utilization. It is important to realize that the human body is an instrument to facilitate right understanding and its actualization in life. This is an important issue. I need to ensure that I use my body for right behavior and work. When I do so, it has favorable effects on body. On the other hand, if I use it actioning if I use it for actioning or acting in opposition with other human beings or nature, like like quarreling quarreling, fighting, hitting, it has adverse effects on the body. I also need to arrange for equipments, instruments for right utilization of the body. They increase the efficiency and capacity of the body. So it was all about the responsibility of the self towards body, or how to improve the health of our body. Okay, so we need to focus. We need to focus that how to nurture the body, protection of the body. It means proper upkeep of the body, labor, physical exercise, asana pranayam, and treatment of the body. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you must have got knowledge. Thanks a lot.